Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how I created this 3D logo. Okay, so we are going to create this 3D logo. The mockup is in the description. So I will click inside this logo here, the thumbnail. You see that the small thumbnail there, I'll click inside that. Then I'll have this smart object document here. Then what I'm going to do here is I will import my pictures. Okay, so I'll just go through for my pictures and then I will drag in, or I'll drag my logo here. So this is my logo. Okay, so I'm going to use this logo to create this 3D. Okay, so what I will do now is when you open the document, you will see Learn Photoshop and then their logo there. So what to do is hide that one, then make sure you unhide your picture. Okay, so this is my picture. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to resize my logo. So I'll resize this logo. So before you do this, make sure you have already created your logo, or better still, you can still create your logo on this particular smart document. Okay, so what we are, I am calling it smart document because whatever you do here, whenever you save it, it goes to the previous one. So after that, you just click on save. After you have added it, just click on save, and here is the results. Okay, so this is the results you will see after creating this particular design. But you can see that our logo has shifted to the right side, so we need to do adjustment. Okay, so I will drag it to the left side small like this. Okay, I just have to position it so that it will tally with what I have. So I have this. Now from here I will save it again. So Ctrl plus S to save it. So wait for a while. Okay, so after saving it, go back to your main document. So I'll go back to my document, and you can see that now we have the light reflecting on our logo. Oh, if you want to do modification this time around, I've added a text like this to it. I've added a text, and what we are going to do here is I'm going to remove the white background, or the white background. I'll go for my quick 1 2, then I will select the whole white. I will select it, then I'm going to hit the backspace to delete that. Okay, make sure you select all. Okay, so I will make sure I will switch my cursor. I will switch from the color mode from black to white, then I will hit the backspace, and you can see that the background has removed. Okay, so that is how you can use the quick 1 2. You select the white. So anytime you are doing this mockup, if you want the thing to come out, you have to remove the background so that you get the main logo. Okay, so if you don't get the main logo and you just place the logo like that and you save it, it will be like that. It will be like a shape there. You will not see the feeling. You, after I'm done with this, you will see what I'm trying to say. So you just remove the white color, then you save it. So I've removed all the white in my work. If you have any white background that you don't need, or any color in your logo that you don't need, you take it off. If the color is not part of the logo, that's what I'm going to do. The color is not part of the logo, remove it, and then save the work, and you will see that you will get the actual logo. So this is the actual logo. Okay, the first one I created, I didn't remove the white, so we have this. So let's wait and see. Now go back. So let's go back and see what we have done. Now look at this. Okay, so compare this one to the previous one I did. You can see that within this one, the X the X, there is no background or there is no shape in the X, there is no shape. It has removed everything. So this is how you can create this 3D. Download everything in the description.